Pero tawagin muna natin si stewardess, Seda!
Okay. Oh, eto na. Kamusta ang flight?
Hi, Senator. Hi, Madam.
Madam. Madam. What did you prepare today?
I prepared Maha Blanca and Piyaya.
Wow, from Bacolod.
Pia, hinanda ka na.
Piyaya. Hi, Ate Pia.
May
Maha Blanca and Pia. Why did they call that Maha Blanca?
I don't know, sir.
Have you tried it? Have you tried it?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Is it good?
It's good, sir. I must know.
Is it clean?
It's clean. I washed it.
You should know. You ate it, huh?
Yeah. The other that I prepared.
Ayoko na sabi.
Sabay layas. Napagod. Napagod kayo English.
Nabahan siya
Lumayas.
sa tanong eh.